Going on, guys, back again with another video. Today we're going to be going over a Ryobi Inflator. I picked this up for like 39 bucks, 40 bucks. If you haven't subscribed to the channel. We do the little 5 to 10 minute videos. We try not to waste your time and we just get in and out and get through the video. Here we go. Here's your inflator. It comes with a 2 amp hour lithium battery, sports needle, a USB charger. It's got a 2-year limited warranty. It says it goes up to 100 PSI, and it looks like it's rated for bicycles and sporting gear. So I guess this is a code right here. If you want to pause, you got the code for it. Let's go ahead and jump into it. I went ahead and charged this little battery for you. Goes in the end here. You'll see how it's oval on one side, flat on the other. Just put it in there like that. Lock it. All right. Here's our hose. We'll go ahead and put it on. It's supposed to come with a little needle. It didn't come with one. Unless it's on here somewhere and I don't see it. Oh, looky there. It's in here. Got a, you know what? That's so cool because some of these inflators, it doesn't have a little spot to put it. First thing we're going to do is air up a bicycle, so let's go ahead and just leave it like that. Bike says to inflate to 40 PSI, but I'm going to do like 35. Seems like a lot for a bike tire, but we'll go ahead and we'll give it a go here. You just hold it. Start tearing up. 2, 3. You just hold it where you need it. I can tell this is definitely for, like, you know, like it says it's rated for bikes, and I don't think this could handle a truck, even though it says 100. Not unless the truck was lifted off the ground, because I think the resistance from the weight of the truck would keep you from getting it to the PSI you needed. It's getting there. Taking a while, but I think we're fighting a battle here. Maybe that's better. I'm not sure if I like this thing. That's super slow. See if I got this thing on all the way right. It's just not airing up like it's supposed to. I mean, it's aired up, but it's not getting to 40. So this ball says to inflate to 7 to 9 PSI. So we'll see if we'll have any luck with the sport gear. So we'll put this little needle that came with, put it in here and push it down like that. It's in there. It's in there. So we're gonna go to 7 to 9 and stop it. This is unbelievable. It's so slow. That's set to 4 PSI. It's already been in damn 40 seconds. I don't know about this one. I think it should be already there. It's just a little ball, a little basketball. It's a long time to wait to get something to air up, to inflate. You can hear that the motor is working. This is a dud, man. I don't know if I got a bad one or this is just the way it's supposed to be, but I couldn't even get it to 7. So if you liked the video though, regardless, maybe I saved you some hassle. If you did, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next demo of the next tool. So that's it for us. I think this one's gonna go back to the store. I'm not sure if I'm gonna try a new one or just let this one go on back. So we'll see you on the next one.